Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to add products to WooCommerce. So first, you need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard and then navigate to products in the left sidebar. Then in here, click Add New. After that, fill in the product name and description in the respective fields. So example, I'm gonna fill in a product name and a product description here. And then scroll down to the product data. Then in here, you can see now the general settings. Set the product name or product type. You can set up here a simple product, group product, external affiliate product, or variable product, and enable or disable stock management. Inventory. Specify the stock status, quantity, and other inventory settings if applicable. When it comes to shipping, configure weight, dimensions, and shipping class if needed. Then in link products, set up upsells, cross-sells, and related products. In attributes, define any product attributes like size, color, and others, and their variations. And in advance, add a purchase notes to set the menu order, enable or disable reviews. And of course, when it comes to get more option, there are many recommended extensions to choose from to add to your products. Example, name your price, additional variation images, page checkout, minimum or maximum quantities. Set the price of the product in the product data. So let's set up here the product data. Then add product images by clicking on the product image. So in here you can see now the product short description and add media. So click on it and then upload your image from your computer. Then set up product categories and tags in the right sidebar. So you can either choose existing ones or create new categories tags. Configure any additional settings specific to your site and theme such as SEO, metadata, product reviews, and others. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the Publish button to make product live on your WooCommerce store. So just click on the Publish here. Then repeat steps for each product you want to add to your WooCommerce store. You can always edit or update the product details later by going to the product section in your WordPress admin dashboard and selecting the specific product you want to modify. Here are some additional aspects and features you might find useful when adding products to WooCommerce. So let's first publish or see this product name here. So let's see it first. Let's be the product. And there it is. So you can also add product variation. If you want or if you are selling products with different variation such as size, colors, you can set up variation for a single product. This allows customers to select their preferred option on the product page. Also, there are product attributes. WooCommerce allows you to create attributes such as size, color, materials, and assign them to your product. This enables customers to filter and search for product based on specific attributes. Inventory management. Yes, WooCommerce provides inventory management options to track the stock levels of your product. You can set up stock quantities, receive notification for low stock, and even enable back orders if applicable. Also, there are product types, which is WooCommerce offers to suit various needs. When it comes to simple product, a standalone product without variation or complexities. In variable products, a product with variables or variations such as different sizes, colors that customers can select. When it comes to group product, a collection of related products that are sold together. And external and affiliate products, a product that is sold on an external website with the add to cart button redirecting customers to the external product page. Product reviews. Yes, you can enable customer reviews for your product, allowing shoppers to provide feedback and ratings. Review help build trust and provide valuable information to potential customers. Also, product upsells and cross sells option may help you. You can set up upsells and cross sells to encourage customers to purchase additional products. Upsells are products that are more expensive or of higher quality, while cross sells are complementary or related products. There are also bulk product import. If you have a large number of products to add, you can use the bulk product import feature. Prepare a CSV file with the necessary product detail and import it into WooCommerce. There are also product categories and tags. Yes, organize your products into categories and assign relevant tags to make it easier for customers to navigate your store and find the specific products. And SEO optimization. WooCommerce provides options to optimize your product page for search engines. You can set up custom URLs, meta titles, and descriptions to improve your store's visibility in search engine results. Product visibility and catalog modes. Control the visibility of your products using options like catalog visibility and product visibility. You can hide products from specific users or show them only in search results without the ability to purchase. And that's how to add products to WooCommerce. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.